Hello, hello. This is your Florida weather guy. My new logo is FWG Weather. That stands for Florida Weather Guy. We're going to do our synoptic weather first of all, and then we'll get into the Pinellas County forecast for Wednesday and the next 3 days. Here's what I'm talking about for the synoptic weather. Yeah, we're going to back this up to tonight. Let's see. We'll start this out over. Well, actually, let's go. What time is it? 10. Let's go to 11. So at 10 a.m., no radar. That's the far left. No rain to mention of. This is our temperatures in Pinellas County, 72. Tampa Bay regional weather area. Yeah, it looks like overall in the lower 70s from Bradenton up to Tampa to Clearwater. The winds are generally, looks like from the north, generally from 4 around Pasco, Hillsborough, and eastern Manatee County, and then closer to about 13. Cloud cover, 0%. Southern Pinellas, about 3%. Bradenton, you're at 39%. Okay. Now let's go to 11. We're going to be going back down to about 70. Still no rain. The winds are still 6 to 11 miles an hour. And down to 3% for St. Petersburg and Bradenton and Sarasota. Tampa and Clearwater and Pasco, no rain. Now we're going to start in the morning. We'll see how low. Oh, Tampa, you're going down to 68. The winds are still going to be from the east northeast at anywhere from 4 to 11 miles an hour around the Tampa Bay regional weather area. A little bit of cloudiness going on, 9%, 3%, 3%. Okay. It's 2 a.m. We'll see how low this is going to go for us. We're going to just look mostly at the temperatures right now and the clouds because I'm not seeing any rain. So I'm going to actually, yeah, we're not seeing any rain. The winds from 4 to 6, temperatures 8 a.m. tomorrow, 6 a.m. So we're going to take this one out because I'm not seeing any rain there. So there we go. Not seeing any rain. So at 8 a.m., we're looking 60, let's see, 61, 63, closer to close, some upper 60s, mid 60s. Whoa, what happened here? It just went blank for a second. And winds overall anywhere from 4 to 8 miles an hour. Cloud cover less than 3%. Okay, that's 8 a.m. 9 a.m. We're starting to get cloudy by 11 a.m. The winds is going to start to increase to about 8 miles an hour. Temperatures overall in the mid 70s, some lower 70s around Clearwater area tomorrow. We don't need that on there. I don't know why that pops in there. We need 12 p.m., mid 70s, still lower 70s around Clearwater. Some clouds tomorrow. So I said sunny for tomorrow, but I'm going to put in a few clouds for tomorrow. Yeah, a few clouds, not too many. This is at 5 p.m. tomorrow, 4 p.m. So it looks our high tomorrow about according to this model, some lower to mid 80s, lower to mid 80s tomorrow. Overall, the winds are so let's look. Let's see what the about right there. So that would make sense why it's a little bit more cloudy right there. And then you can see this wide part where they go extremely. Okay. Okay. So that's so that's why right there about 11 a.m. That's why we're seeing some cloudiness. Then as the afternoon went on, you remember that the red line and the green line got further apart. See right here? Well, this shows blue line. On some of them it's green, some of them it's blue. This is why we've got cloudy in the morning. And in the afternoon, this is why the cloudy is not as great in the afternoon. Because look how far this red line to this blue line. Quite a bit, but it's right close to right here. Okay. All right. So overall, some upper 70s to about 80 around the coast, 81, 82 around the coast tomorrow, to the mid 80s. Yeah. To the lower mid 80s in central. And let's look at the winds tomorrow. Let's see what the wind said tomorrow. Yeah. Winds generally from the east southeast tomorrow. It's perceptible water tomorrow. 0.75, 0.70, 0.65. So overall, and then like I said, the cloud cover, and it doesn't look like any rain for what was that? That was the temperatures. To me, it doesn't look like any rain tomorrow. Okay. We're good there. So let's take this off. And let's bring back and see what the whole state's going to do tomorrow. So this is at 6 a.m., 5 a.m. There's going to be a little bit of light rain tomorrow in South Florida. And let's take a look real quick to what the overall temperatures for the whole state tomorrow. Yeah, it's a lot cooler up this way. This is early in the morning, Wednesday. Some upper 50s. We're approaching. Tomorrow we're approaching close to 90. There's some 90s. Yeah, just south of Jacksonville tomorrow. Tallahassee at 86. Gainesville 88. Orlando, you're looking about 82, 81, 82, according to this model in Tampa. I think this model is underdoing it a little bit. Let's switch over to this one. This is the HRR, and this is the most current run. Yeah, 84. I think I'm going to go with this one tomorrow. Let's see what it says in the morning. Morning 8. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one. 60s tonight, overnight tonight, Tuesday, early Wednesday morning. Let's look at the rainfall. Yeah, this showing quite a bit. See what this does. This would just be sprinkles. This only goes up to 3 tomorrow. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. So we don't need that one anymore. Now let's go and add my slides. Hang on a second. Got to get in there. Okay. Okay. I hope this is the right one. Let's see if this is the right one. Okay, I think it is. Yep, this is the right one. This is the Wednesday one. And we're going to make this full again. Okay, cool. This is your FWG weather. That stands for Florida Weather Guy. I'm Jeff, Florida Weather Guy. This is your forecast for Wednesday, April the 15th, 2026. For tomorrow in Pinellas County, there's no weather hazards to speak of for tomorrow. You're going to have a high of 86 degrees. The winds are going to be generally from the east-southeast at 6 miles an hour, as we've seen in sunny skies. There might be a few clouds from time to time tomorrow, but overall, sunny skies. And this is my Pinellas County weather for the next 3 days. 85 Thursday, 87 for Friday. And look at this. We're approaching that 90-degree tomorrow. Quite a bit tomorrow. So, with that being said, I want to thank you for tuning in. Have a great evening. And sorry this went a little bit longer than what I thought it would be. But I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye for now.